Hi, it's Emilio, Immobiliser Fit. Today we've installed the Starline i96 Pro on this Range Rover Velar. So the way the system works, if the customer's phone's in the car and it's turned on and their Bluetooth's on, they simply hop in the car, turn on the ignition, hear a melody, and they can start it and select their gear. Drive away. Car doesn't stall. If the customer's phone's not here, so just to demonstrate that, we'll turn the Bluetooth off on this phone. So if the customer's phone's not here and they go to start the car, it will start up, but as soon as they select a gear, it will stall. So we'll just show you that. So the phone's Bluetooth's off, so it's out of range. Start up the car, starts as normal. Select your gear, and it stalls. In instances where they're out and their phone dies, they can use a push sequence, or if they don't want to use the phone, they can just use the push sequence. So to do that is ignition on. We've set it something simple, 1, 2, 3. Hear your melody, start the car and select your gear. If they want to change the push sequence to their own sequence, this can be anything between 3 and 21 presses. And how that's done is ignition on, disarm the system, press any button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ignition off, back on, you get 5 bleeps. So it's now ready to learn a new code. So we'll just change it to set plus. So wait for a confirmation. Wait for a confirmation again. That's the code learned. So turn ignition off, give it about 10 seconds, and then try that new code. So ignition on, new code. Now we can start and select our gear. And the car doesn't stall. If you wanted to take the car for a service, you didn't want to give them the customer's phone or give them the PIN code, you can put it into service mode. So to do that with the buttons, first disarm the system. Now press any button 11 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ignition off, back on, you'll get 2 bleeps. So this is now a normal car. So if they start it up, want to drive it around their workshop, work on it, service it, they can do that without any phone or PIN code. When you get it back, you can either pop your PIN code in or you can do it through the app. So we'll do the PIN code first. So ignition on, pop in your sequence. For this it's 1, 2, 3. 2 bleeps, this car's protected again. If you wanted to do service mode with your phone, first have to go into the app, make sure it's connected, and I'll just simply press and hold on this till it goes yellow. 2 bleeps, you're in service mode. When you get it back, you can do the same thing in reverse. Press and hold on it till it goes green. And the car's protected again. If you want to get one of these installed in your vehicle, give us a call. It's Emilio, Immobiliser Fit. Our number is 0208 212 7393. Once again, it's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.